Today I will discuss the solution of the question number 39. Question is on the screen. We are given turning moment diagram as shown in the figure, and mean turning moment is 2000 Newton meter, and average speed is 1000 rpm cs. Ma- Coefficient of maximum fluctuation of speed is 0.04. Okay, and we have to calculate the mass moment of the inertia. Now let us solve this question. As we know that delta E max change in maximum fluctuation of energy can be written as I omega square cs. Okay, I is the mass moment of inertia, omega is the mean angular speed, and c is the coefficient of maximum fluctuation of speed. Okay, or delta E max can be written as E maximum minus E minimum is equal to I omega square cs. E max is the maximum fluctuation of energy, E minimum is the minimum fluctuation of energy, and we have to calculate this I. So this is the equation first. So we are having omega because uh, engine speed is given to us and cs is already given to us, and we don't have E maximum and E minimum, so we need to calculate E maximum minus E minimum. So if we look at this diagram, this is the turning moment diagram and this is the T mean line, mean turning moment line, and energy fluctuation is the area under this curve. Okay, so the area of this shape will be equal to pi by 2 into 2000 minus 1500, so it will be equal to 250 pi, and the area of this shape will be equal to 300 minus 200 into pi by 2, so it will be equal to 500 pi, and the area of this curve will be equal to 500 pi. Okay, and this the area of this curve will be equal to 250 pi. Okay, so let us consider the energy of the point A is E. The energy of point A is E because it will having some energy, so we are considering the energy of this point A is E. So the energy of point B will be equal to E plus this much area. Okay, so the energy means fluctuation of energy, the fluctuation of energy of the point B will be equal to E plus this much area. This area is 250 pi, but this is minus 250 pi, so because it is in in downward direction, or it is below the T mean line, so it will be equal to minus 250 pi. So minus of 250 pi, so it will be equal to E minus 250 pi. So similarly, fluctuation of energy of the point C will be equal to energy of energy of B point, so E minus 250 pi plus area, this area, this area 500 pi, so it will be equal to 500 pi, which is equal to E plus 250 pi, and the energy of fluctuation of energy of the point D will be equal to fluctuation of energy of the point C plus this area 500 pi, but it is in minus, so this will be equal to minus 500 pi. So it will be equal to E minus 250 pi. Okay, so fluctuation of energy of the point E will be equal to fluctuation of energy of the point D, E minus 250 pi plus energy of this curve, which is 250 pi. Okay, 255, so it is equal to E. Okay, so Emax will be equal to maximum fluctuation of energy is equal to, we can see maximum fluctuation of energy is E plus 250 pi. This is the maximum fluctuation of energy, E plus 250 pi. So it will be equal to E plus 250 pi, and the minimum fluctuation of energy will be equal to E minus 255. This will be the minimum fluctuation of energy, E minus 250 pi. So E maximum minus E minimum will be equal to E plus 250 pi minus of E minus 250 pi. So finally it will be equal to 500 pi. So from equation equation first, what is the equation first? Equation first is E maximum minus E minimum is equal to I omega square Cs. So E max minus E minimum is equal to I omega square Cs. So E max minus E minimum is equal to 500 pi I omega. Omega can be written as 2n pi by 60 square into Cs is 0.04, or this will be equal to 500 pi into I into 2n, and rpm is 100, and this is pi by 60, and this is square and 0.04. So I will be equal to 500 pi into, this will be equal to 3600 upon 4 into, this will be equal to 10 to the power 6 into pi square into 0.04. So finally it will be equal to, when we will calculate, this value will be equal to 3.58 kilogram meter square. So this is the our final answer. This is the mass moment of inertia.